Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today the residents of Vasant Vihar, that is us, we are going to bid farewell to Ganpati Bappa. And the children's competition has been organized, which includes clay Ganesha idol making, essay writing and recitation. And the organizing committee had wanted me to be a part of it.
This is Anjali. Anjali has called me today to be a volunteer for this competition. Anjali, you are busy in doing something the same.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm just making the table and checking the children who have come, who are about to come. I'm trying to call them.
Yeah, you are very busy. I'll talk to you later.
So that we
Organize. Just tell me a few things about it.
Ma'am, it's a matter of pleasure for our RWA that for the first time we are organizing children's program. And to begin with, we have kept 3 activities.
Okay.
That is clay modeling and essay writing and then poem recitation. So let's enjoy, ma'am.
Yeah. We are all here to help you, support you. So I am sure it's going to be a super hit. Okay, chalo, let's see.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
most
Have
welcome.
a great time.
Thank you.
This is my volunteers bag.
Here all the participants have assembled.
Yeah.
They are all ready to do what, children? What are you going to do today? What is the competition about? Tell me.
Ganesh, we are going to make with the clay.
You are going to make clay models of Ganesha, right?
Yeah.
And what else? And laddus also.
Laddu and mushak.
Oh wow, that's very nice. So are you all participants also?
In essay writing.
You are doing essay writing. Okay. So have you prepared yourself? No. Random. Yes, you have.
I also
Okay. You have also practiced. That's
I'm in
wonderful.
both. I'm in
Both. Oh, you're in everything. Wow, you people are so
I'm
talented.
in 2, he's in 3.
Okay. So I'll be here to check all of you. So you have to be seriously doing, okay? Huh? Let me see what you are doing. Oh, practicing. Are you practicing?
ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన ఆంటీకి ఏం చేస్తున్నారు చెప్పు
They are busy
దే
now.
ఆర్ ఫైటింగ్ బిజీ ఫైటింగ్ ఏయ్ సిద్ధు
You have to keep them separated during competition.
యా
Otherwise,
యా
they will only fight.
నో దే హ్యావ్ देयर ओन किड्स
प्रीति आज क्या प्लान है?
भजन संध्या करेंगे
भजन संध्या।
वसंत विहार के
वाह वाह वाह।
प्रीति स्टाइल
हाँ, Preeti. The competition started by chanting Gayatri Mantra.
And complete within that.
The participants had been divided into 2 groups. The junior section was 2 to 9 years and the senior section was 9 to 15 years. As I'm a Montessori trained teacher, being with children has always attracted me and I have always loved being with them. Hence, when Anjali called me, I could not resist, and here I'm having a wonderful time with them.
Very nice children. Keep doing. All of you are very good.
And your place is littered. You have to clean around your area where you are making your play. Okay, beta? Okay. Yes, everyone? Yes.
What do you learn from this? What auntie just said? Keep doing. Keep doing. What? Yes, cleanliness is important. You have to keep your house as well as your environment clean.
Okay, make the mouse now. Very good. Put the mouse.
पहन लो वो जज।
She's overall. What is your contribution? Badge wise? Yeah. करते रहो, तुम करते रहो.
Beta, let him finish.
Modeling is over now. नहीं दे प्रसाद. Thank you. Now this competition is over and all the Ganpatis which have been made by the children have been displayed on the tables for the judges to see and mark them. Judges are marking. Only all the best.
Thank you.
So you are going to take the first prize, I'm sure.
After the clay modeling, there is a competition starting.
Judges have given the marks. Now I will just total them up and declare.
The winners for the clay modeling competition. Here the essay writing competition is about to begin, so the sheets are being distributed and the topic is that they have to write on Ganesha.
Very nice. 4 minutes are left. Hurry up and finish. Then we'll be taking the papers. Only 4 minutes are left.
Seniors, you people are correcting seniors, no? Seniors, 2 more papers.
Now we are standing in front of Ganpati Bappa where Bhajan Mandali, they are singing continuously in front of Bhagwan, and the recitation competition is going to take place here. Now the Bhajan Mandali is getting felicitated for their contribution towards the function. Here the organizers are instructing the children regarding the rules of recitation competition.
These are the judges who are going to judge the poem.
It's up to them.
Acha, extempo. Okay.
Whatever they want.
But judges has been given that appropriateness of the that they have to decide.
Okay.
Tough, it is going to be tough on the judges.
Although it's an extempo, topic has not been given to the children, but within 3 minutes they have to say whatever they can. One by one, all the participants started coming and performing, and it was wonderful to hear them. Their performance was obviously very good, but what was noteworthy was their enthusiasm and the approach towards the program that they had. So much of interest, so much of willingness. Now the prize distribution is on. Along with the winners, every participant was given small tokens of appreciation. But now I have to leave because of some unavoidable prior commitments. But it was a wonderful experience, an enjoyable day spent with children whom I love the most. Thank you so much for watching, for being with me through all my videos and supporting me the way you do. Have a great day. Meet you soon in my next video. Bye.